little blown out there, babe. There you go. Guess we'll be dubbing a different song over this.
Where are we going today, Tyler?
We're going to Johnston Canyon.
Johnston Canyon.
We're gonna go hike a little bit, and if it's too icy, we won't go all the way up to the top, but we'll have fun anyway. Yeah.
And where might we go later today?
The Lake Minnewanka?
Yep, Minnewanka Lake. Ooh. Views. This is so beautiful.
Yes, you are.
Wow.
To the left. To the straight.
Ah!
Beauty everywhere.
So pretty. This was a fire in 1993, it said?
Probably, yeah.
Wow.
Makes way for the new.
Mm-hmm. It's like scarily beautiful.
I got a feeling it's the moment my life's gonna start. I got the feeling when the windows roll down in the car. I got the feeling if I wanna fly, I know that I could. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. The sun will show the way, I know the road to take. Throw all our cares away, I don't need to knock on wood. Time is on the side, let's all enjoy the ride. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. Above the ceiling, higher than the stars, push through the sky. My heart is beating faster when I got you right by my side. I got a feeling if we wanna run forever we could. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. The sun will show the way, I know the road to take. Throw all our cares away, I don't need to knock on wood. Time is on the side, let's all enjoy the ride. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. Oh, oh, it's all about to start. I got the feeling this heart won't ever stop. No, don't ever stop. The sun will show the way, I know the road to take. Throw all our cares away, I don't need to knock on wood. When you're right by my side, I can enjoy the ride. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. Oh, 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 oh,
Look at that water down there. Look at how blue it is.
What's
Like
the
Lake
story
Louise.
of those trees?
I don't know.
Okay, look at that one. How did they start growing like that?
I don't know. They're
What
pretty
happened
tall.
to the rock?
I don't know. I wonder if you can go down there and see it.
Probably not.
I feel like I've seen people walk around this one. It's really cool.
Indeed. Yeah, some of them are touching the ground.
It looks like there's icicles going up, too.
Mm-hmm.
In the ground over there.
Indeed. Well, water does that. I missed all of that. I said I missed all that. That looks like Splash Mountain.
Really?
Yeah. Splash Mountain. Through we go. Through we go. Can you say that again, please, for the whole crowd?
Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful.
Hey, baby.
This is so cool.
Let's go down and check it out, and then we'll go up to the uppers.
Okay, be careful because it might be icy.
I know.
I can't slide behind you.
That's fine. Woo! Oh. What do you think? Indeed.
Oh, I wish I could go swimming in there. Imagine just like playing around. Oh, I wish I was a bear. If I was a bear, I'd go down there all the time. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Oh, claustrophobic now.
Feel it, right?
Split rock falls to the extreme.
So, how was that? Yeah, say it louder so we can hear you.
Amazing. And
Woo!
snowing.
Yeah, it is. Look at how some of the falls are frozen.
Yeah, that's really cool. You having fun?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Hello. So cute.
That's fine. I just think overnight's okay.
Sorry.
That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, that's probably what we would have gotten.
Good luck to us on the way back.
Yeah, for real. Note to everybody, don't wear sneakers.
My boots are okay, but they're not. We're almost there. You see those guys? They're going up the way we gotta go.
You feeling okay?
Yeah.
Tell everybody what just happened.
I slipped a couple times, but I'm fine. I didn't fall.
Almost did. He almost fell down the entire
She's being
canyon.
dramatic.
He almost did. Also, happy 1 week anniversary.
Happy wedding anniversary. Week anniversary.
Yeah.
Wedding week anniversary.
Wedding week anniversary. What time is it?
3:15.
I would have been putting my dress on in like 15 minutes.
I just got my pants.
Oh my god, really?
No, like an hour ago.
That's scary. This is beautiful. I can't believe we're here.
You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true. Love you.
I love you too. This is so cool.
Alright.
Do you see this? Do you see this?
Do they?
I don't know. Put the strap on. Just like the Wii.
Look at this.
You see this?
They see it. That feels so safe. Hold on, I'm in it. Hi guys. Look at that. This fence is made of pure steel.
It's really cool. Really cool.
We somehow miraculously made it
We made it.
to the falls. Crazy.
So beautiful.
Looks like we're the last ones. But
Yeah. No one else is around here right now, but that's pretty cool. So.
then we might go up to the lookout. Here come a couple more people. So, all right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
We're going up to the lookout now. So see you there.
See you there.
Oh, there it is.
This is crazy. Woo. My feet, I'm like freaking out right now.
How are you gonna handle the sky?
I have no idea. I don't know why lately I'm like getting so much anxiety doing this. You like it?
Love it. Keep going.
Yeah, let's keep going. You can go all the way over there.
I think that was the best view. Hey, Christy.
Hi.
This cool?
This is amazing. Do you see that color in the road?
Yeah.
It's like incredible. It's so like contrasting compared to everything else.
What are you doing?
Go in.
Are you going in?
It's as far as I'm going.
What?
I'm claustrophobic. I can't go anymore. You want to go in?
Almost.
She sticks the landing.
I've never fallen once. Look at this tree. All coiled up. It's a perfect seat for Christy. You're so cool. Tell us about this tree, Christy. Louder.
Well, it is a coily tree, clearly, from the description here and there. And it just, you know, these kind of trees are very rare, so we have to be very careful with them. And They coil up and around like an S and a snake. And that's the coily tree.